Let's go outside, guys. Come on. All right. Whoop. Drago! Is Drago with Gracie? He's not as tall as her quite yet, but she's about 65 pounds. And let me get down here. You can see a little better. Come on, guys. Woohoo! Oh, gotta pee. Somebody's gotta pee. Drago! Anyway, Gracie's about, I don't know what her height is at the shoulder. She's fairly tall. Yeah, and she's teaching him some manners. He's pretty full of himself sometimes, which is extremely normal for a male puppy. And he could be like that for a while. Sorry about the moving around. Where's the ball? Is there a ball? Oh, yes, there is. What's that? Oh, oh, Drago. Look what I have for you. Woo! Woo! Get it, get it, get it! Yay! Good job. Good job. It's dropped. Good boy. Good drop. That's mine. I got it first. Oh, yes. Oh. Drago. Oh, he's still jumping though. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go, Drago? Gracie, that's a. Where'd it go? What are you doing? What are you doing? Where's the rock? Where'd it go? Sit. Drago. No. Sit. Good. Sit. Oh, get it. Woohoo! Good boy! Good job. You're a good boy. All right, Pupper, so you're going to let me have the back so I can throw it again? Puppy, puppy. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Where'd it go? Woo. There we go. He says, hello. You're taunting me, Mama. Ooh. Catch it. All right. Good job, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. Big boy has the ball. He loves those squeakies. Good job, buddy. So we're doing, this is our last day before he has surgery tomorrow. I wanted to have him have some play time. You just run and play one more time. He's going to be kept, in, he'll have to be quiet the next 11, maybe even 12 weeks as he heals. We're going to do about 4 different visits just to do radiographs to check on the progress, make sure everything's looking good. Oh, that's a good boy. Drago. He says, no way, Mama. You ain't getting it. You ain't getting it. I ain't giving it to you. What you see? He's big. He's the guardian of the realm. Well, let's go look. Come on, show me. Let's go. Let's go look. I want to see what you're seeing. Sorry about my shaky videography. I really suck at it. My husband is much, much better than I am. That's a good boy. What you see? What you see? Huh? Oh, that's good. Oh, that's a good boy. Oh, all right. Let's see if I can do a good throw job. Mm-hmm. Oh, oh, that's a good boy. Mama's teasing me. And get it. Yes, good boy. Good job. Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. You are adorable. What you doing, big guy? Huh? Hey, Draco, Draco. Hey, little dragon. What's that? Oh, here we go. A little better. What's that? Oh, get it. Yes, good job. Good boy. Good boy. Come on, let's go back in the house. Good job. He says, I want my Gracie back. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. What's that? Oh. Oh. Get it. Yes, good boy. Good job. That's a good boy. That was very good. What's that? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Get it. Yes, good job. What a good catch. You are just the most adorable little dragon. We're going to get you some new wing to fly. He said, look, Daddy, something's gone. Something's wrong with this picture. Unfortunately, as a rescue, that is part of what we do, is every dog has to get neutered or spayed before they leave us. You are so silly. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.